Hey, yo, it sound like you sucking dick.
Nah. It sound like he's like, he got black all in this shit.
Said what?
She can help me get right with
Come on, dummy.
What you mean help you get right?
I'm new to the city type shit.
Say, I don't know, you got to find niggas. Niggas can't help you right now.
That shit.
What you looking for?
Fine.
Yo, June, why you park so close to my car?
Nigga,
Facts. So close.
I need the brakes, nigga.
Oh, you better get on his ass, bro. Get on his ass. You fell out the whip. You fell. That's him.
Oh, you hit my V, nigga. Oh, you hit my V. Come here, pussy.
Get that nigga, get that
Come here, pussy. Come here, pussy. Yeah, get that nigga. Why you let him run past you, nigga?
Couldn't even do nothing.
Come here, pussy. Why you running in GZ, pussy ass nigga? Come here. This nigga pussy. Look at this pussy nigga running. Pussy nigga, you pussy.
That nigga mad.
Yeah, take that nigga. Take that nigga. Take that nigga. Take that nigga, you pussy. We just chased that nigga in the store. Where the bro? We just chased your pussy ass in the store. Chase that pussy nigga in the store. You pussy nigga. Chase that nigga in the store. You
Go
pussy.
get your whip. Go
You
get your
pussy.
whip.
Why you in my V
Go
and
get your
red,
whip.
nigga?
And
You
I'm
pussy.
bugging off the X.
Pussy ass nigga.
Come on, come on.
Come on, nigga. Why you just ran in here, pussy ass nigga?
You got the chair?